Give me the next few minutes, and your English will sound clearer. No theory you'll never use. Just what people actually say. Listen while you commute, cook, or wind down. Chapter 1. Introduction to Meetings. Hi, I'm participating in a meeting today. I need to know the agenda beforehand. The time is short, so be concise. Start with an introduction and summary. State your purpose clearly and concisely. Listen carefully and take notes. Ask questions if you're unsure about something. Chapter 2. Contributing to the discussion. When it's my turn, say what I mean. Use I think or my idea is. State your opinion clearly and respectfully. Be open-minded and listen actively. Avoid interrupting others when they speak. Show interest in others' ideas and opinions. Keep your contribution relevant to the topic. Chapter 3. Handling conflicting opinions. If someone disagrees with me, listen carefully. Try to understand their perspective and point of view. Ask questions to clarify their concerns. Focus on finding a solution rather than winning an argument. Avoid being confrontational or defensive. Stay calm and composed, even if disagreeing. Look for common ground and try to compromise. Chapter 4. Leading the discussion. If I'm leading the discussion, set a positive tone. Encourage others to participate and share their ideas. Ask open-ended questions to stimulate debate. Facilitate the conversation by summarizing points. Keep the discussion on track and focused. Avoid dominating the conversation or talking too much. Make sure everyone has an opportunity to contribute. Chapter 5. Dealing with technical issues. If there's a technical issue, remain calm and patient. Check if others are experiencing similar issues. Ask the meeting leader or organizer for assistance. Provide an update on the status of the issue. Focus on finding a solution rather than getting frustrated. Keep the discussion going while waiting for help. Apologize if you're the cause of the delay. Chapter 6. Following up after the meeting. Send a summary of key points and action items. Follow up with attendees to confirm next steps. Share any relevant documents or materials. Ask for feedback on the meeting's effectiveness. Use the meeting as an opportunity to build relationships. Keep attendees engaged and informed about progress. Show appreciation for their time and participation. Chapter 7. Practicing speaking skills. Practice speaking with a friend or family member. Use online resources such as speech therapy apps. Record yourself speaking to identify areas for improvement. Join a public speaking group or club. Take a course on public speaking or leadership. Speak in front of small groups or one-on-one. Be open to receiving constructive feedback and criticism. Chapter 8. Confidence. You don't need perfect grammar. You need to be understood. Think in simple English first. Short, clear sentences win. Complexity comes with time. Speak one English sentence today. Out loud, to anyone. Chapter 9. Use it today. Stop translating in your head. Here's what to do instead. Nobody is judging your accent. They're listening to your idea. Say it and keep going. Say it before you feel ready. Ready comes from doing. Chapter 10. Grammar. This tiny grammar mistake makes you sound less fluent. Since is for a point in time. For is for a length of time. Since Monday, for 3 days. Chapter 11. Giving feedback. Be honest and constructive. Use specific examples. Start with something positive. Focus on behavior, not person. Explain what you want to see. End with a positive note. Make sure they hear you. One last thing. You didn't watch this far by accident. Pick one phrase from this video and say it out loud today. Subscribe to Speak Fluent, a brand new video every single day.